To simplify this equation, we have to make both sides have the same base so that we express 8 also in base 2. That way we can have 2 power 2x minus 1, 2 power 2x minus 1 will be equal to 2 power 3, then x plus 2. So this will give 2 power 2x minus 1 to be equal to 2 power 3x plus 6. Now we can equate the powers. Since we are having the same base, we equate the powers such that we have 2x minus 1 to be equal to 3x plus 6. Now let's collect the like terms so that we have 3x minus 2x to be equal to -1, then minus 6. So x will be equal to -7. And that is the answer to this question. 2 power 2x minus 1 equals 8 power x minus 2 is simplified to give x equals -7. And see you in the next video.